Welcome back, guys. In this video I'll show you how to create a PayPal account without ID. So on your PayPal homepage, go to sign up and then choose if you're using a personal or business account, and then choose what kind of personal account you are making. If you're an online shopper or so on, you can choose whatever, and then you just have to input here your number. After putting there your number, you will be asked to answer this security challenge. You just have to do it to make sure that you are not a robot. So just click start and answer the challenge correctly. And then confirm your phone number by putting here the send code. And then just have to fill up all of the information here and then click next. So upon answering these information, make sure that you choose driver's license and just type any 12-digit number. And then check all of these boxes and then click agree. And then once your account has been created, you just have to click get started to input your debit card account or credit card account. But if you don't have one, you just exit that and go to the PayPal dashboard. And there you go. You've created your PayPal account without your ID. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please do like this video and subscribe to this channel.